Hey brothers and sisters, it's Kelly, and I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I wanted to come on and let you know about some dreams I had over Holy Week. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night, I had a dream all three of the nights, and it was crazy because the first night I had this dream that there was like this major storm that was going to hit the U.S. Let me just start by saying on that dream, it's like I saw a picture of the U.S. and from the very tip of, I guess it was Wisconsin, all the way down, like a straight line, almost like a straight line blocked out, like a block that was a line from the top to the bottom of the U.S. on that side. Really strange. I saw that image of like that was darkened out. And then this massive storm that this lady I didn't know, she had to it was weird. She had to jump into the storm and ride through the storm like a hurricane. It was like a hurricane. Had to jump into the hurricane to get from point A to point B. Really strange. So she jumps in it. I thought, wouldn't you get hurt? You get banged up in that hurricane? Or it was really weird. So she jumps in, I guess, to this hurricane thing, this massive storm to travel versus getting in a car. I don't know. It was really strange. I'd love to hear your input on this. So and I knew that I had to get from point A to point B, and I thought I have to jump into that storm, into that hurricane to get from point A to point B. That could be, I guess, metaphoric that we have to jump into the storm, the coming storm, to get through it, basically. Can't get from point A to point B without jumping in. But then it almost seemed like maybe too it was an actual storm, like an actual hurricane that was going to hit the U.S. Because why did I see that block, almost like cubes, like if you played Tetris? It was like this block from the top of Michigan to the very bottom there, like a straight line. Really strange. I wonder if that is the actual line of the coming eclipse to that actual line. I think it might be. That's interesting. I just thought of that. The eclipse is going to hit a certain horizontal area and line. I'm going to have to look that up and see the one that's coming in 24. But anyways, that was the first dream. So I jumped in it. That's all I remember. I guess I jumped into that storm. I don't remember anything. That was the end of the dream. And then the next night, I had this dream that I'm in the car with my sister. We're going somewhere, and my little sister is in the car, and it's daylight. And I look up and I see this full moon, but it's gray. It looks like charcoaly gray. Like you can see the craters in the moon. It looks really grayed out and charcoaly, looking like darkened moon where there was no light hitting it. And I'm not used to someone staring at me when I do this video. The moon looked like this gray moon, like almost like a black moon in the middle of the day. And I said, don't you see that? Don't you see what the moon looks like? And little sister's like, no, I don't see it. But I thought, well, she must not have noticed it because it's broad daylight and it's like a full moon that's like a charcoal color. Weird, like a prophetic, ominous kind of a dream maybe about what's to come. And then I thought, well, the sun is the sun, S-O-N. And he is the light. So if he withdraws his light, what would that make the moon? That would make the moon dark. I thought, whoa, maybe that was the meaning of that dream then, that the moon is dark because there's no sun. Very interesting dream. Then the following night, which was last night, I had a dream that there were storms in the dream. Like these strong winds would come onto this. I was at the campus. I used to go to the University of Colorado. I was on the campus, and I seem to have a lot of weird dreams based on that campus because I think maybe because I had a lot of stress. That was a youthful time of stress, major stress, and I never want to go back. Thank God I'm done with university. I'm done. Thank goodness. I mean, thank goodness, not thank God. Sorry about that. And but it was like we were on the campus, and I don't remember knowing any of these people, but there were like these strong blasts, really super strong winds that were coming through the campus. And it kind of had that air of that other dream, like it had the atmosphere of that other dream where there were these strong winds. Like not winds, more like strong, threatening, stormy winds. That was the 3 nights. There's the storms, the major hurricane storms, and then the darkened moon in the middle of the day, and then the storms again. So I just want to kind of come on and mention these. I think they're prophetic. I think they're speaking to me, and I'm asking the Lord to tell me what they mean. And I feel like maybe I want to come on and tell you that I had these dreams that all over the course of the Holy Weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Good Friday, Holy Saturday, and Resurrection Sunday. So very interesting, the timing, I think. I hope everyone's doing well. God bless you all. I still haven't come on and talked about my legs. That was a promise I didn't keep. Sorry about that. Just wanted to mention that and get your input and let you know I feel like that there is a coming storm. Oh, and one last thing in that dream last night. I heard something about I have to square up. Well, that's what happens in a bar. Well, I haven't had a drink. I've not been a drinker in over a year now. But that's a term, I'll square up. Well, it's a square up in a restaurant too, I guess. I'll square up. But anyway, it's something like I have to square up. And I remember that being said in the dream too. God bless you all. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to mention those I think prophetic dreams were, I just feel like the Holy Spirit has been poured out and I'm being spoken to in these dreams like so many others of you. But okay, I'm going to leave it right there. I'd love your input. That darkened moon was really, really strange, eerie, ominous kind of a dream too. God bless you all. Hang in there. I'll see you soon. Bye.